Oh, I must have that outlet overloaded. For the first time in a couple years, we're making ice cream for the 4th of the Slime 2022. Chocolate, vanilla, chocolate, just because that's how the whip decided to pour them in. I didn't make any sense to me either, but alright. And I just love the sound. Sounds like something's getting done. Ice machine on for WHISD. Oh, we got ice. Love that kind. Just need the one. Don't need the other one right now. Works fine, but I just don't need to run it. So that's good. The slime has cooled overnight. And covering it was a good idea because it kept it hydrated. Might be a little loose, I don't know yet, I haven't felt it, but this is this here now. Definitely looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. So we'll see about that later, but these need to go outside. If I can get the cover on. There. Need to go outside, sit in the sun to warm up because at, what is it, 71 degrees with the lights and everything else on. And oh, everybody who says that, oh, my air conditioner being so oversized, 4 tons, way too much for this house, because of course the AC decks know everything. 43%, folks. 43%. In fact, it's too dry. How about that? So no, it's properly sized, without a doubt. What are you fucking doing?
I'm playing with the pool, hon.
You ever shine your nuts with a pool?
Ah. Something for everybody, I guess.
Just a small night last night, hanging out. Oh, you put the water on in my pool.
Of course, hon. I mean, pools need water. It's common sense.
Just take it out of the pool and put it in.
Oh yeah, perfect. Self-regeneration.
So, yeah, I mean, it made it for a nice display, but I gotta put those in cycle buckets and stuff like that. Otherwise, oh, there's fence lights. You'll be seeing those later on. Clock is wrong because it's an Accu-right. So it's Accu-wrong, or Oli's wrong. So we have to adjust the time on that. I'm also going to go and take down the little street light guy over here to put on the white table to get full sun all day. Just so that way it's on, because it's been cutting out around midnight and that. We might be out here a lot later. So this way it'll get a more full chooch on it. And otherwise, that's pretty much it. And we're just waiting until later in the day when I go ahead and start making the foods. So there's the streak light down. You go streaking with it. Streak light's down. Took care of some bird shit on the fence right quick. If you don't look at it, you know, real good, you won't see, but otherwise you'll see various spots like here, you know. It doesn't have the smooth here, rough there, you know, all that kind of stuff. I haven't power washed this fence. Here's the Accu-wrong. You can see right there. And the temperature is, that's pretty damn close. The humidity is, woo, I don't know. I've never seen humidity like that. If I'm not mistaken, it's spun around 5 times already. And isn't that interesting? I reset the time. It was 11:26. That was probably about 15 minutes ago. Okay, that's fun. So no clock. That worked. More fence. This is the fence that I power washed. Definitely looks a lot cleaner. Didn't earlier. I mean, birch it, 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 birch it. Everywhere, everywhere, a bird shit. Oh, I gotta put the hammock back. So I'll get that in a minute. We got the slime. This pot, because the lid is clear, is hot and ready. This one was ice cold. It's starting to warm up now that I put the lid cocked like that. And since I had the hose out, decided to do a spearmint. We're going to leave the hose here for after the slime. See how that does. See if it, you know, out in the sun like this, it'll warm up even more. So this way I'll have warm water for 5 seconds longer. We'll give it a shot. Purple garlic hose. You can even tell already. Check it out. It's still pretty close, but definitely lighter. I don't know if the camera makes it out, because this part, just the end part of it, I leave out in the sun. So, yep, that's nice. Almost no clouds in the sky. Absolutely clear. Sunny. 82, 83. Pool. Crystal clear blue. Everything's topped up. The shark's here, so he had to go do the pool maintenance for me this week. So that's, I guess, the thank you or something. Even put water in the pool because, I mean, what I did is I just dumped the beers in the pool. I got some more water in the pool that way. They were empty, and we put I put pool water in them so they'd stay there and not get knocked over by the wind. It worked. Clock's still broken though. Can't understand that. That's strange. Anyway, yeah. Definitely shaping up to be a nice day. So we'll see what else. Oh. What happened?
Put the fan in the garage for a car.
Oh yeah. It's got a fan for him. Make a reappearance one day. Anyway, that's it for right now. Don't know what else is happening. I don't know where this video is going to end and what's going on. I don't know how long it is. Maybe I'll have to check, but we'll see. And see you later sometime.